What happened with NVIDIA earnings and why the Nasdaq reacted the way it did? Let's break this down institutionally. Flows, positioning, expectations, and index mechanics. First, the earnings themselves were fundamentally strong. NVIDIA delivered revenue and EPS beats, strong forward guidance, and continued AI data center strength. Objectively, this was strong. No collapse in demand, no margin shock, no guidance cut. So why the sell-off? Markets don't price absolute results, they price expectation gaps. The real issue was that expectations were extreme. NVIDIA was heavily owned. AI capex fully priced, valuation stretched, options one-sided, and Nasdaq near highs. When positioning is crowded, even a beat can trigger profit-taking. It's great company, great earnings, wrong price. Forward guidance was strong, but not accelerating enough. Markets wanted re-acceleration, explosive guidance, revision, and an upside shock. What they got was continued strong growth, but at a pace already assumed by markets. When growth stabilizes, multiples compress. This matters when a stock is 5% of the Nasdaq. So why did the Nasdaq sell off today? The Nasdaq 100 is concentrated. NVIDIA's large weight, plus weakness in AMD, Broadcom, and other AI names amplified index pressure. This is index math, not macro panic. Next, let's look at the institutional flow dynamic. Before earnings, funds were long AI, hedge funds, long gamma, and dealers positioned for upside volatility. After earnings, volatility crushed, call premium collapsed. Dealers hedged by selling, and funds reduced exposure. This creates mechanical downside pressure, even if fundamentals are intact. The macro overlay matters too. Yields are not collapsing. The Fed isn't aggressively easing. Liquidity isn't expanding. And financial conditions aren't loosening. Multiples don't expand easily. Earnings must massively exceed expectations for upside. They didn't. Important, this was not a fundamental breakdown. This was a positioning reset, volatility unwind, multiple adjustment, and AI trade digestion. Very different from demand collapse, margin compression, guidance cut, or structural narrative break. What matters now for the Nasdaq? Key institutional questions. Does NVIDIA hold its post-earnings low? Do semis stabilize? Do yields move lower to support multiples? Does breadth deteriorate or remain healthy? If semis continue lower, Nasdaq underperforms. If they stabilize, this is consolidation. The bigger picture. This is what happens late in strong trends. Expectations become extreme. Earnings must shock higher. When they don't, price corrects. The AI narrative is intact. Positioning was the issue.